Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video, I want to sharing to you how to configure types of routing in Mikrotik. So the the routing in Mikrotik has many types. Firstly is unicast, then unreachable, black hole, and prohibit. So what is what makes it different? Firstly, for unicast is means that the root can be connected. Next, for unreachable, the packet can the packet is sent but giving the ICMP ICMP text that the packet is unreachable. The network target is unreachable. Next is black hole. Black hole means that the packet is silently be shut down and cannot be sent. Next is prohibit, which prohibit itself is means that the packet cannot be sent and giving the ICMP message that the packet is blocked or prohibited. So to configure it on Mikrotik, firstly, we put and login onto the router itself, which the user is admin and the password and not use password. So for here, I will use firstly I need the basic configuration. On this topology, my Ether1 is connected to my first PC. And for this address, I will be entered in this Mikrotik. So to configure it in IP address, add interface Ether1 address 192.168.0.1/24. So there's the root will be active and connected. Then secondly, I need to configure to this PCs. Firstly is adding it the IP address itself. To do it, using the command IP address add interface ether2 address 192.168.1.1/24 as what is in topology. Then after that, next we go to ether3 which is the PC3 that using address 192.168.2.1/24. Next is for PC4. I will be using the address 192.168.3.1/24. And for the last, for the Ether5 interface is using 192.168.4.1/24 here. Because the defaultly I not set up the DHCP server, so I need to add the static IP on each PC. So firstly, I will configure the first PC address by using command IP 192.168.2.2 for the PC IP itself, and for the subnet is /24. Next, for the gateway is 192.168.2.1. As you can see here, the PC is now connected to the router. So to prove it, I can use ping 192.168.1.1. I'm sorry. sorry, for the IP is 0.2. Sorry. So after this, if you ping to 192.168.0.1, it will be replied. So next, for the second PC on this topology, we use 192.168.1.1. So I will add IP 192.168.1.2/24, and for the gateway is 192.168.1.1. Then after this configuration, the PC can now be pinged to router. Now there's the reply from the router. Next, to configure PC3 by using IP 192.168.2.2/24. The gateway is 192.168.2.1. And check the connection to the router itself. Now the PC is directly connected. Next, for the PC4, IP 192.168.3.1.2/24 for the PC IP, then 192.168.3.1 for the gateway. Then try to ping it to making sure the connection to the router. There's the reply. Next is for the PC5. Then try to check the connection between the router and PC. Then if you get all that connected, next I will configure if this route will be prohibited, black hole, unreachable, or unicast by using the command IP route print. So in here, all of this is directly connected. And for the configuration, I will use IP route at set one type prohibit. Oh, sorry, because it cannot be changed. I will add static route first. Add using IP route at destination address. Sorry, this address is 1 and 2 at 0/24, and gateway is sorry. Just mistaken. So for the configuration, I've updated that the topology will be like this, and as you can see here, the the address is using 10.10.10.10.1/24. So I will change it on IP address set address 10.10.10.1/24. So now is configure the Phoenix MikroTik router. So in here, firstly, we need to connect to PC1, which is IP address at interface ether1 address 192.168.0.1/24. Then after the router is connected to the PC, now I will do the configuration how to make the root is prohibited, black hole, unreachable, or unicast. So to do it, firstly, because it's not directly connected, I must add a static root first by using IP root at destination address, which is this network. So 192.168.1.0 because it's asking the network /24 for the gateway, because I configure here 10.10.10.1 will be using gateway 10.10.10.1. Forgot for so if you try to ping from this router to the PC, it should be connected. Then if you get the reply, now I will set the root by using IP root set IP root print first to check the root, then set the number because it is to set to uh, type is prohibit. So if you want to ping it again, so it said type no root to host. If you check the table, it will be prohibited. Nextly, if you want to add root again to destination 2, and I will after you config this IP root, if you ping again to the PC, it should be connected. But if you set the network, the address is the network type is black hole. If try to ping it again, says no root to host. Or if you see it and try it in real life, it will be timeout. In here, the configuration is the root flag is active, static, prohibited, and black hole. Next, to add it again, you can use IP root at destination address 192.168.3.0/24 for this, and gateway 1 and type is unreachable. If you ping it says no root to host, but if you see the root table, it's unreachable, as you can see here. Unless for the last PC, if you try to add the root, So if you see here, after you config the IP route that unicast, there's no specific flag, so it just connected because unicast is permit to be connected. So if you try to ping the PC, it will be connected. So maybe that's all what I can tell to you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.